Oh no. Why do I feel like this? My head hurt this morning. It's not a small pain. My body feels hot, but I also feel a little cold. My throat hurts when I try to eat, and my nose is running.
Maya, are you awake?
Yes, I'm awake, but I feel terrible.
What's wrong? You sound tired.
I don't feel normal. My head hurts and my body feels strange.
Do you feel hot?
Yes, I feel very warm.
That doesn't sound good. Let's check your temperature.
All right.
Let me see.
What does it say?
It says 38.5.
38.5? Is that high?
Yes, that is a fever.
So, I really have a fever?
Yes. You need rest and water now.
I have work today.
Maya, no. You shouldn't go to work with a fever.
You're right. I don't feel strong enough.
You should call your boss and take a sick day.
Okay. I feel nervous.
I'm here. Take your time.
Hello?
Hello, this is Maya. Good morning.
Good morning, Maya. What's going on?
I have a fever.
A fever?
Yes.
I see.
I'm sorry, but I can't come to work today.
That's okay.
I will rest today.
Please do. Get well soon.
Thank you. Okay. I called.
Good job. How do you feel now?
Relieved. I don't need to worry about work now.
Next, you need to take some medicine.
Okay.
This is fever medicine.
Thank you. I took it.
Good. How do you feel?
Still tired, Bao.
That's normal. Now you should lie down again.
Thank you for taking care of me.
Of course. I will be here if you need anything.
All right.
Maya, are you awake now?
Yes. I just woke up.
How do you feel?
Better.
That's good to hear.
I feel hungry.
That's a good sign. How about going out to eat something?
All right. Let's try.
Good. Put on your jacket.
All right. Let's go.
How does it feel?
The air feels fresh. Much fresher than inside.
Yes. Fresh air is nice.
I can breathe better.
That's good. Just walk slowly.
I will. I don't want to rush.
Look over there. That's the park.
Oh, I see it. The trees look very green.
Yes. There are many plants here.
The leaves are moving. I can hear them in the wind.
It's very quiet here.
I hear birds too. They are singing.
Birds like this place.
Look, there's a dog running.
Yes. It looks happy.
I feel more relaxed now.
That's a good sign.
This morning I felt terrible. Now, I feel much better outside.
Sometimes a short walk helps a lot.
Yes, just walking and breathing feels good.
If you feel tired, tell me.
Okay, right now, I feel fine.
Good. Let's keep going to the restaurant. Here we are. This is the restaurant.
It looks nice, and it's quiet.
Good place to sit and eat.
Excuse me, can we order now?
Yes. Please scan the QR code on the table.
Okay, I'm scanning it. My phone is very slow.
The signal is bad here.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, we do. The Wi-Fi name is Restaurant. The password is ABC123.
All letters are small, right?
Yes, all small letters.
Great, I'm connected now.
Is it working?
Yes, I'm ordering now. Okay, I'm done.
Your food will be ready in 10 minutes. I will bring you some water.
Thank you. One more thing. Can we take the food away?
Yes. Small box or big box?
A small box, please.
No problem.
That's perfect. We don't need to stay long. All right. We're back home. Yes. That was enough for today.
How do you feel now?
Better than this morning. Much better.
That's good to hear.
I didn't even take the medicine again yet. But I already feel better.
Sometimes rest and fresh air help a lot.
I think so. But going outside helped too.
Balance is important.
I'm glad you were with me today.
Of course. That's what friends are for.
Now I want to rest again.
Good idea. Go lie down and relax.
Okay. Thank you, Sophie.
You're welcome. Rest well.